What are the possible expressions for the dimension of the cuboid whose volume is given below? That is, volume is given 12k square ky square plus 8ky minus 20k. As this is given and we want to find out the dimension of the cuboid, it means we need to find out length, breadth and height of this particular cuboid whose volume is given. Hello friends, myself Sunil Kumar Jadhav. Welcome back to my channel. Standard 9 Mathematics chapter number 2 Polynomial. Here in this video we are going to solve question number 16 of exercise 2.5. This is the last question of this exercise 2.5 and the last question of this chapter. So see this question. If you have not seen the earlier video still, if you have any doubt for the solution of the earlier question of this exercise, you can see my past videos. Let us begin with question number 16, exercise 2.5. Let us see the question. What are the possible expressions for the dimension of the cuboids whose volumes are given? Here one volume is given, so I have written volume is given below. Volume is given 12ky square plus 8ky minus 20k. What volume is given, we need to find out three things, that is length, breadth and height of this cuboid. Let us begin the solution. As we know that volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. So we will find out the factors of this given polynomial. If we get three factors, one will consider as length, another one will consider as the breadth and another one is considered as the height. So let us try to factorize this given expression. Volume is given, that I'll write it. Volume is given as 12ky square plus 8ky minus 20k. Let us begin. First of all, we'll see something is there something common? 12, 8 and 20. Out of this 3, there will be something common, that is 4. 4 should be common. Here also k, here also k and here also k. So k is also common. So what is remaining here? It is 4 3s are 12. So 3 into y square. Already k has gone out. Plus 4 2s are 8. So here it is remaining. That is 2 into k has gone. So what is remaining? Y. Minus. It is 4 gone. So remaining is 5. 5 4s are 20. So it is 5. K is out, so this is remaining 4k into bracket 3y square plus 2y minus 5. This 4k as it is. We'll try to find out the factors of this. For find out the factor of this, we know that how to find out the factor of this polynomial. For that we need to see the last term and the coefficient of the first term. We need to multiply both of them. So this, that is 5 into 3, that is 15. We need to factorize this 15 in such a way that this sign indicate what method we need to do, what process we have to do. We need to do the subtraction of both of those factors to get this 2 answer. That it has two factors, 5 3s are 15, and definitely these two factors, if we'll write it, that 5 minus 3, that is equal to 2. But we want to get this plus sign at the center, that is plus 2 we want to get. To get the plus 2, we know that while we are doing the subtraction, this sign indicate what method we have to do, it is subtraction. So we have to do the subtraction, but while we are doing the subtraction, both the terms should have the different sign. Out of that this sign will be given to the greater term. So this 5 is a greater term, so 5 is given plus sign and 3 is given minus sign. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2 and the greater term sign we will keep it, that is 2. So I will write it here, that is this first one 3y square. I will write it this two factors. So first of all I will write plus 5 into y minus 3 into y minus 5. You can see 3y square as it is. 5y minus 3y is equal to 2y and the greater term sign minus 5. Now we'll try to take the common. 4k in the bracket. Out of this, what is common? 3 and 5, nothing would be common, but y should be taken as a common. So inside the bracket, what is remaining? 3 into y, 1 y has gone out, plus y has gone out, so it is remaining 5. Here both has the minus sign, so I will take the minus sign as a common. Nothing is common, so I will write it 1. 3, 5, nothing is common, y is here but not here, it is minus 1. But as we have taken a minus sign common outside, both of this sign will change to plus. So that is 3y plus 5. Now out of this 2, you can see 3y plus 5 is a common, so that I will take it common outside. 4k into bracket 3y plus 5. This is taken to be common. For this first term, this has gone out. What is remaining? It is y. From this term, this has gone out. What is remaining? Minus 1. So we got this 3 term. One will consider as length, another one will consider as breadth, and another one will consider as height. So I will say that the possible expressions for length, same way possible expression for breadth, and same way possible expression for height will be equal to, I will consider this 4k is a length, then breadth I will consider this, that is 3y plus 5, and the height I will consider y minus 1. Or either you can say this is length, this is breadth, and this is height, or you can say this is length, this is breadth, and this is height, or this way you can write it. So the possible expression of length, breadth, and height is 4k, 3y plus 5, and y minus 1. So this is how you can solve this question. If you like this video, then click on the like button, and I hope with this question number 16 you have understood all the questions of exercise 2.5. If you have not seen the earlier video, or you have any doubt in exercise 2.5, you can go and see my back video, so you can solve your doubt here also. For the future update, subscribe my channel. If you really like this video, then click on the like button and share with your friends. Thank you so much.